I just finished watching this video from Hardware Haven talking about how you can set up a free Minecraft server using Crafty, a Minecraft server controller, and how you can make it publicly available for free using playit.gg. So, I'm going to try setting this up. Well, I've got SSH on it, so I'm going to go back to my desktop. Okay, looking at the documentation for the Linux install guide, you need Git, and then you can follow this one-liner to install Crafty. But currently, my system is updating, so... Alright, Git is installed. Alright, nice. I didn't copy the whole one line. Nice, there it goes. Requirements, yeah, install requirements. Install Crafty to this directory, that's fine. Permission denied, okay, yeah. Anyway, once this is done, I still have to do a couple of other things. I'm not gonna run the development build. Make start and update scripts, yeah. Oh, it's done. Nice. Alright, I'm running Crafty now, and I have to go onto this website. It's fine. Alright, it looks like things have changed since January 12th, 2024, because the default credentials are no longer admin Crafty, and so I had to go to find this file to find the default credentials, and I found that it's now a very long string of characters. So now I can go to here and log in. I've got 2 notifications. This is Crafty Center, security alert. Okay, that's just because I messed up the credentials for admin, create a new server. Minecraft server, vanilla, build. Oh, I can hit start, clone, kill. Nice. Yep, I agree to the Minecraft EULA. Okay, I don't have any new notifications, so start. Okay, there we go. Oh, this is what's going on. So, I think the issue is that the main was compiled by Java OpenJDK 17 instead of OpenJDK 8, because it says that the version of Java runtime, version 65, is newer than what's supported by the Java it's trying to execute with, where it only recognizes class versions up to 61. Alright, I've just installed Java 21. So let's go back to this. There we go. Let's go back to the main view. Online. Yeah. Alright, it works. I've joined the Minecraft server. I'm going to go ahead and stop this. Playit.gg, which is a brokering service which allows you to basically port forward without actually port forwarding. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot. This can be a Minecraft plugin. Alright. I have gotten it to work, but I had to swap from using the vanilla server to Fabric. Alright, I got it working. You can see that this really is connecting through the playit.gg tunnel, because my ping is much worse than it was before. So if I quit out of the server and connect with the local IP, my pings are way better. Okay, there is one more thing I wanted to mention, and that is the associated cost of electricity, because it's something that Hardware Heaven didn't bring up in his video. So, in order to really get a accurate cost of running this per month, you need a measurement of how much electricity the server uses. And I've got that over here. So I have one of the redundant power supplies unplugged, and the one that is plugged into this kilowatt meter. And we can see that it's going at like 112, 114. Over here we have watts, the number of hours in a month, kilowatt hours, the average price per kilowatt hour in America, and then how much it costs for each wattage scenario. So my server was pulling just about 114 watts, and with it running every hour in the month, that would cost me just around $13.56 per month. And so that compared to a Java Realm subscription, which is $7.99 a month and can have 11 players concurrently, you would need a server running at just around 67 watts. Again, with the price of electricity at 17.7 cents per kilowatt hour. And to reach a middle of the road metric, $10 a month, you'd need the server to be running at just around 84 watts. So that is something that you should consider if you're going to do this yourself. And since Hardware Heaven didn't bring this up, I thought I should.